I've got a Google Ads tip for you that makes it so much easier to track your account performance. You can see your results right in your email and make changes faster than ever before. This hack actually works because of a Google Ads script. You can use scripts for many things, and in this case, you can generate an account summary report that keeps track of your campaign performance. Google actually has a whole document outlining how to use this script, so here's the rundown. If you're already logged into your Google Ads account, you could choose to quickly install the script template straight from Google's documentation. Clicking the button will take you to your account where you can edit the script as needed. You can also copy the script directly from the source code section in the documentation and paste it manually. To get to your account's script editor, go to Google Ads, select Tools in the sidebar, open the Bulk Actions dropdown, and select Scripts. Then, hit the plus button to begin adding your new script. One element you need to have for this to work is a spreadsheet. You can make a copy of Google's spreadsheet template that works with the script, the link to which is in the ads documentation. Once you've made a copy to your Google account, you'll want to update the spreadsheet URL in your scripts config object to your spreadsheet's URL. If you want this report emailed to you, make sure you add your email to the spreadsheet. And a seemingly small detail that makes a difference. The example code from Google uses v10 of the Google Ads API. You'll want to update that to the latest version like v22 for the script to actually work. When all of your information is entered, you'll need to authorize the script before you can run it. Do that, and you can then preview and run the script. If the data appears in your spreadsheet and you receive an email, you're pretty much good to go. There are many more scripts that you can test out, so check out Google's documentation for more details. And be cautious of scripts from random sources. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.